In this video, I show you how to fix Gcash uninstalling problem. Gcash not installing from your device. For fixing, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset apps. Now search Gcash. Tap on Gcash. Now tap on uninstall. Now tap on OK. If this method not working, then go to Play Store. Now search Gcash. Now click on uninstall. Now I hope that this method fix Gcash uninstalling problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.